sayaw na, basta makadungog sa akong sunat na halabira. Gibon na litokar mo sayaw kapil, hasta tong gibang samar. Ulpot ang sampot kong makadungog, mahuwasan ng katong mga hubog. Bra, ratatatatantan ng bomba, hirap papapapam, ratatatatantan, sayaw wira papapapapapapam. Bako sinto karila gubo, kanang iyang baho kay mula gubo. Tiktok tagsugod wanan ni undang taman kadlaw di dud ni matang tang tang tang. Ira na og kaulaw, ana ang sikreto sa mga musayaw. Para dagang viewers ang mga mutanaw, pare si ugsod ang nga sabaw-sabaw. Aw! Ratatatatantan ng bomba, hirap papapapam, ratatatatantan, sayaw wira papapapapapapam. Yes man! Aha! Gamay nga kunot nga hubag, ana sinanay kong mulapag. Lupit may finish mute na nga turtle, kusog mo backflip wag wiggle-wiggle. Rampahitan ng mga bukol, cool! Parisan ng tuba nga bahal, kung mahubog matagak sa kanal. TikTok ang oso pook ang suot, wako'y pakibisan ginapanuhot. Manglupad ta, sayawin na! Aha! Ey! 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 Aha! Ratatatatantan ng bomba, hirap papapapam. Bako sinto karila gubo, kanang iyang baho kay mula gubo. Tiktok at sugod wanan ni undang taman kadlaw di dud ni matang tang tang tang. Ira na og kaulaw, ana ang sikreto sa mga musayaw. Para dagang viewers ang mga mutanaw, pare si ugsod ang nga sabaw-sabaw. Aw! Ratatatatantan ng bomba, hirap papapapam, ratatatatantan, sayaw wira papapapapapapam. Gamay nga kunot nga hubag, ana sinanay kong mulapag. Lupig may teenage mutant nga turtle, kusog mo backflip wag wiggle-wiggle. Parisan nagtuba nga bahal, kung mahubog matagak sa kanal. TikTok ang oso pook ang suot, wako'y pakibisan ginapanuhot. Manglupad ta, sayawin na! Sound trip sa manglaba, kuso-kusohi ang nasa planggana. Hasta mukaon makakiyod na, tungod sa sunat nga hasta ngayusa. Diba? Aha! Ratatatatantan ng bomba, hirap papapapam, ratatatatantan, sayaw wira papapapapapapam. RK Camp Music!
Alright. Ayan, Merry Christmas, everyone. Ayan, Bilangke, nasaan ka na? Akit ka na. Let's do it. Ayan guys, Merry Christmas. Umidigay pa ako. Ayan. Oops. Wait. Oh, I Hello. Ayan. Mali anak input ng guys. Diba? Unang kanta, tigok. Charot. Nabusog ang nabusog ako, sobrang busog ako. Ayan. Shout out sa ating viewer dyan. Ayan guys, dahil Christmas ngayon, mag-ano tayo, mag-request kayo dyan. Charot, feeling. Ayan, kamusta ang ating Pasko? Ayan, kamusta? Shout out everyone. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga sumisilip-silip dyan. Ayan, shout out. Oops, wala pa. Shout out sa ating mga viewers dyan na pasilip-silip. Ayan. Antayin muna kayo bago ako magpakita. Karating lang namin. Sorry. There's a look in your eyes. Must still love first sight. You were just part of a dream. Nothing more, so it seems. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile. Twinkle in your eyes and a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Okay, ang next natin ngayon kakantahin ay ano lang. Then could I love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it feel like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile, you take my breath away. Hold me close, say you stay with me now. Closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile. Twinkle in your eyes and a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Alright. Next natin ang Christmas song naman. Haranahan ko kayo guys. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangang lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin hinahanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka, araw ng Pasko. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailang lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin. Hinahanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin. Hinahanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko. Alright. Okay, anong next? Ulit. Shout out kay Robinson Brown. Ayan, sa ating SB reviewer. People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one and all. It's that time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just present. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, even the man who has everything would be so happy. Would bring you from Christmas. No greater gift is there than love. People you don't know, smile and nod hello. Every word there's on earth Christmas. It's the person here when the words hindi ko alam guys. Tapos naantok pa ako. Christmas, I'll give you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Virgin Lasso, shout out! Ayan. Shout out, shout out. Thank you, Virgin Lasso. Good morning. Merry, Merry Christmas! Ayan. May natira pa ba dyan? Pahingi. Pahingi, Virgin Lasso. Wala na ako, nawala na. Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise. Merry Christmas, I wrap the cake. Don't sing, I love. Guys, puro swag na lang. Yun lang talaga ang alam ko, guys. Pagdating dito, bigwak. Give you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I'll give you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Oh, oh baby. Will be true when you're I'm hiding. Want to realize what yourself. Now I know. Try ko nga. Try ko nga kung alam ko to. Magka-try yan. Ito na naman tayo sa try natin. Parang, alam ko to yung chorus. Charot, hindi ako sure. Hindi ako sure. it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it a love business. Love story, baby, just say yes. Bilang kaya akit ka na. Akit ka na. Akit ka na, babe. I could try to wait. Wondering if you were ever coming around. Feeling almost faded. Di ko alam tulog. When I read your notes heard of town, I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling I'm so low. So alone. Waiting for you. Never comes head. I don't know what to think. Then I stood to the ground. I pulled out the ring and said, Romeo, wag ka na maghagdan. Umakyat ka na dito. Huwag ka na maghagdan, babe. Pick up a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say it. May access ka naman, may access ka. Go. Oh, 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 oh. Parang nakakain. Was we were both young when I first I saw you. Huh. Yung kanta, guys. Bilang mag-ano ka, direct ka na, be, direct na. May access ka naman. Dali. Romeo, take me somewhere with ice. Isang sipi gamit mo. Okay, sige, sige. Pagbigyan kita ng elevator. Elevator ba? Ang hanap mo? Dito lang. Halika dito. Sa ilongga. Ayan. Elevator. Elevator for you. Okay. Go, akyat. Dali. Ano ba itong you belong with me? Parang alam ko to. Ay, parang lang. Romeo, you belong with me. Ay, wala. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. We doesn't get your homework like I do. Alright. I'm in the room. It's the
At times I'll be on your side forever.
Ay, saglit. Ano yun? Ay. Continuation.
Hi! Sa mga nanonood dyan, Merry Christmas sa lahat!
Ayan, Merry Christmas. Merry ang Christmas. Continuation. Pagdating ko dito, nag-open ako kaagad. Hindi pa ako nagbanda.
Wala na ba yung amo? Dito mas dudron.
Kaya nga, nagtatagay din ako nito. Hindi pa kaya ako nakabihis.
Di tayo magbago.
Di pa ako nakabihis.
Paubos gamay. Hindi ka makita.
May ito ang pangarap ko.
I-adjust mo yung cellphone.
Pa kayang ako'y hagan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang siya.
Kaya mo yan,
Ako pa kaya ibigin mo.
Of course.
Kahit
Cheers.
na ang buhok ko. Wala na silang ki.
Cheers lang.
Dating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong nangangarap ng para sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik. ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala
Lagi ka
ko
makita,
sa'yo.
Ang live mo,
Ang
number.
ating
Baba ka,
pangako
Gante.
na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo.
Ito na. Oh, cheers.
Kahit
Cheers.
na ang
Cheers, Doti.
buhok ko.
Saan ba?
Woo!
Merry
Christmas!
Halika na dito. Halika dito, Sin. Halika dito, Sin.
Diyan ako galing sa inyo.
Ay, mag-akit kami diya, be.
Ang nakalipas
Dito, ano
ay
namin.
may babalik natin.
Saan ka nag-live? Saan ka
Saglit
nag-live?
lang.
Ipapaalala
Ate Rose,
ko
ang
sa'yo.
nag-live. Ayan,
Facebook.
Ang ating pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y
Nagwala.
laging sa'yo.
Nagwala. Eh, wala na
Sure,
nawag.
Ate Rose, eh.
Na ang buhok ko.
Wala na nawag ka ba? Wala ka na nawag. Tawagin eh.
Kahit maputi.
Hindi.
Na
Tawagin, nagwala.
ang buhok
Nagwala.
ko.
Tawagin kay nagwala.
Merry Christmas, Jim!
Rosemary Rigunas, nasaan na?
Ato dito sa FB. Ato sa FB. Kay i-accept ka na mo po.
Sige.
Tawagan ko siya.
Christmas.
Hindi, ato po ka sa FB. Kay i-accept po ka na mo. Kay dili ni saka pa po na si mong YouTube. Agit ka dito sa kanya. Agit ka. Yung isa din mong sipi gamitin.
Ito,
Ano yan?
saglit.
Kinanta. I-request si Cindy te. Para
Ano?
akit siya.
Saan na ba si Rosemary?
Request hindi dito, no?
Oh,
Okay.
ano ako akit dito?
May bite
Oh,
kita.
Invite na.
Ayan.
Ah. Accept.
It's Mia Marimar.
Oh.
Uy,
Wala nag-uban. Go.
Ay, Diyos ko Lord, tabang mananabang. Ano ba yan?
Saya po ka diya.
The daylight is
Magkanta din ako
lonely.
dito. Nagbaanay na.
Standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel
Kinuntisay mo
weak.
duha diha.
I cannot lie
Uy,
from
ginuo ko.
you. I cannot
Kanta po ka kay i-mute ka dire. Ay mag-mute ko.
Mute. Patayin mo, Sin. I-cancel mo. I-cancel mo.
Hindi, dire manggod siya.
Bababa ako?
Oh, bababa ka.
Huwag mo pababain.
Iko daw, iko. Iko?
Wala man.
Dito sa ano? Dito sa YouTube, sa StreamYard.
Loving feeling.
Ingon niya magkinuntisay daw mo kanta.
Kiss, go on.
I-mute ko na. I-mute ko na.
Mute kita dito.
Oh, nakamute na ako. Na-mute ko na. Lagyan ko ito headset para hindi marinig dito sa ano sa StreamYard. Oh. Ayan. Huwag kayo mag-mute, hindi ko kayo marinig. Uy, ginoo ko. It's like a dream from you I got up. Hoy, ito na. Magkabilaan ng headset ko. Diyos ko. Sa kabila, sa cellphone. Pero sino naman, dito. Uy, magbungol ba? Nay, ginoo ko. Bet, sana yun. Nalaglag pang sa headset ko. Tabang mananabang. Magkandalisod.
Be,
Balo.
baka madugay to. Ingon ni Ate Mayra, basig madugay sa ilong.
Hindi na pwede sa ilong.
Count on you. Ito ka na.
Dili.
Paluan na, oy.
Kakantahan ko naman kayo. Kantahan ko naman kayo. Atong
Sige, mag-click kami dili.
Count on you.
Ha?
Count, ano to?
Di mo kay kabaluan ni.
Count on you. Count
Sige, ko kabalo.
on you.
Count nyo? Okay, kantahin ko.
Sige, go.
Saglit, hanapin ko. Count nyo. Karaoke. All right. When I feel glad, the words got someone I need so bad, but I don't know where. I cry these tears are on. Diba? We've been so far. We've stormed on the moon, and we've counted a million stars. I love the truth. Rains have come and have left me alone, but I've started at this wall before, and they made me be blue. All along in my heart, bakit isa na maririnig ko dito sa kapirang ko? Ay, Diyos ko. Ito na lang. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. Needed a friend. The way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. Mother God, you stay. Stuck on you. Been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. Too hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. But I got to stay. Oh, I'm living on that midnight train tomorrow. And I know just where I'm going. I forgot my troubles, I've thrown them all away. This time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess guess I'm on my way. Might I got to stay. All right, it's the dancing queen. You can dance, you can die, having the time of your life. Ooh, what's that feeling dancing queen? The night the lights are low, looking out for the place where the flames are rising, dancing between. Anybody could be that guy. And when you get that chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet and 17. Dancing queen, you're the Your history or they want be burning in your hand. Not for another, we want you to and when you get that chance, Alright. Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila? Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Wala kang dibdib. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila? Manang Liz Vlog. Mega love shout out. Merry Christmas, Manang Liz Vlog. Ayan, thank you, Manang Liz, sa pagbisita sa aking munting tahanan. Ayan, Merry Christmas, Manang Liz. May tira pa ba dyan? Manang Liz, may tira pa ba? Ay nga, Manang Liz. No si balasi. Sino ba sila? 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 Manang Liz, thank you, Manang Liz. Ayan, may tira pa ba dyan, Manang Liz? Kahit ano lang ba? Diyos ko. Ayan. Kamusta ang ating Christmas? Ayan. Ano pa ba? Saglit, naglo-loading po. Ano ba ito? Try natin ito. Ano na kayo dyan? Ano na
Okay
kayo
lang
dyan?
kami dito. Okay lang din kami dito.
Hindi kami okay.
Maghanap nga.
Live and fishing.
Ano sarap today?
Yan,
Ha?
okay.
Ano sarap?
Wala naman.
Alright.
Bakit
Yeah.
mo si ano, si Cindy kung anong inano niya, kinanta niya. Ano yan, Andrew eh?
Ay, manigi kanta.
Yo. And you know. Ma'am Nelly. Shout out, Ma'am Nelly. Thank you sa patamsak mo, Ma'am Nelly. Thank you. Merry Christmas again, Nelly. Alright. Tuwing nasa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi, nakita ko tuloy itong magandang babae na nakabigat sa aking mga mata. Hindi ko lang alam ay manloloko lang pala. Umanap ako. Hindi na alam. Hindi pa kami. Siya ay nagsalba. Magmimini siya. Anda, alam nga. Kala ka dyan. Ayan, Ma'am Nelly. Shout out, shout out. Ay, nako. Mga kantayin ko. Ma'am Nelly, sa Facebook yan sila kantahan. Nandun din ako. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, under my cup. Bumiligay ako. Gusto ko sa tuktok ko. Nalaw, agay. When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you give to me makes my heart beat. When my fantasies fly away, but my feelings make me sleep, I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it, still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, still do it, in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. My heart is full of love. It makes me a turtle dove. Love's the game to play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in our hearts night and day. Do it, still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, still do it, in a way like there's no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Sabon ka na? Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, in a way like there now is another. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Feel the skin, come under my cover. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, in a way like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Feel to skin, come under my cover. Ano yan? Ano yan? Itagay mo na lang? Oops. Sa taekwondo. Alright. Mag-Lady Gaga na naman tayo. Ayan. Lady Gaga tayo for tonight. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all shook up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember
I'm
this
always
way.
remember us this
Lovers
way.
play. Boy, try to
As for your gold.
you don't know how to rhyme, but tell me try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. When I'm all together, I can't find the one. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. So when I'm all shook up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Oh, oh, alright. It's your turn, Bilanki. Kinanta mo din dyan. Kaya mo yan? Gusto ko na. I-try ko nga to. Aha, mag-killing softly tayo. Ganito dalawang tayo. Alright. Drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, filling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his Alright, I heard you sang a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him and tested for a while. And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, healing me softly with his song, healing me softly with his song, filling my whole life. His words filling me softly with his song. Oh, 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 oh. I felt all flushed with fever, embarrassed by the hurt. He found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would be there, but he just kept right on, my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, healing me softly with his song, healing me softly with his song, filling my whole life. His words filling me softly. His song. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, la 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 la. Oh, la, oh, la, 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 drumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, healing me softly with his song, healing me softly with his song, filling my whole life with his words, healing me softly. His song. Oh, 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 oh. Mm. Back ganun. Ano na kayo dyan? Ano yan? Parang pulutan yan, Langki ah. Namumulutan ka dyan ah. Try ko nga to ang sway. Alam mo kaya? Don't stray, don't ever go away. Should be much too smart to be. You know it's the better of me. Sometimes when you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Calm me down. I see it's all because of you. Here I go, losing my control and practicing your doesn't seem right to look you in the eye. And all the things you mean to me stop. Your mouth in this. Stop telling you why. I see it's infinitely true. Say you'll stay, don't come back. Sway my way, yeah, if you can know all about you. And there's no cure and no way to be sure. Everything turned inside out. Still is so much so that makes me so high. I feel so uninspired. My head is falling. With my heart and logic has been torn apart. And now ay, ginoo ko, tabag mo na naman. Stay, oh, stay. Don't come back and go like you do. Sway my way. Yeah, I need to know all about you. Stay, oh, stay. Don't come back and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, you don't know all about you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Ay, matagal pa pala. It's time to tell you why. You see, it's infinitely true. Yours, don't come back like you do. Yeah. My, yeah, I need to know all about you. Oh, say yours, don't come back like you do. Oh, you my, yeah, I need to know all about you. Yeah, all because of me. It's all because of because of you. Matapos din. Ay, nako. Ito na naman. Alright. Look in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, and so much to give you. It's love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Pwede kaya we can say we're crazy. I don't think well back. Put your hands in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. We can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. But if this world's run out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, oh. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take you to the good times. See you through the bad times. Whatever it takes, it's what I'm gonna do. They didn't say we're crazy, but don't they know? Would you understand me, baby? Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if these words are out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need. All that I want to do is don't you forever, forever, ever. Woo! All right. Shout out everyone. We can build this dream together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. But if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still help each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Standing strong forever. It's gonna stop us. We'll still love each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Alright. What's next? Oh. Ano ba yan? Okay, nag-exit. Ha? Ano kaya pa? Diyos ko Lord, tabang mananabahan saglit. Nagpilit naman dito si Ate Rose sa screen. Ayan. Okay na siya. Kaya mo yan, te. Langke, sayawan mo na. Sayawan mo na, Langke. Sayawan mo na. Ano yan? Ano kaya to? Saglit. Tingnan ko to kung alam ko to. Midli siya. Midli. Nara na nagtuyok na siya. Nagtuyok-tuyok, gid na. Ara, gid. Reloading. Alright. Hindi ko alam kung alam ko ito. Basta midli siya. Ng River Valley. Alright. Hanggang automatic na ang luha. Ay, nakahating gabi. Hindi na alam. Kung alam ko lang. Kung alam ko lang. Ito. Try ko to. Kushi, sana yung kushi. Okay, alright. Try this. Isang magkakot huwag mo'y gawin. Ay bakaran, patingin na tulala na sa iyong kaganda. Wala. Kaya tigil ko yan. Ages. Kala ko ikaw totoo sa aking paningin, ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, paliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking hinahal, kasama ko ang may kapal, ngunit pala'y naging isang mahal, ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo, ngayon ay naglaho na.
Ay, di mawa. Mawa mo guys yung mga harapan. Papalis na. Hindi ko kayo mo pagkipawa.
It's what's hard.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo, tunay at totoo. Sintamis ng wine, sintatag ng sunshine. Tunghayan mo sana ang aking pagsinta. Langit ng puso ko, ang pag-ibig mo, sinta. Nananagin ang isa'y nakatulala sa hangin. Nagsusulit ang dami, kahit alis lang ang akin. Nababalik ko sa'yo, bawat sinakbo ng puso ko. Sa isang sulok na lang, umiibig sa'yo, sinta. Dito ako ngayon, nag-iisda, naglalakbay sa gitna ng galing. Lagi na lang ako nadarapan, ngunit ito mabangon pa rin. Ito ako, basang-basa sa walang at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan. Sana'y may luha pa at kung may luha at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. 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 Bakit iniwan mo ko? Okay. Ingay naman ang mic ko. Huwag kang mag-ano dyan. Wala tayong password. Shh. Ang ingay. When I first saw you, I saw love. And the first time you touched me, I felt love. And after all this time, you're still, yeah. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. We still don't wanna run to like belong. We still don't wanna want for now. We still don't wanna I love you, what I dream. Oh, you still don't wanna kiss good night. Nothing better. We bet the odds together. I'm loving it and listen. What we go been missing. Listen, I bet they'll never just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Oh, you still don't wanna run to the other dream. You still don't wanna love the only one I dream. Oh, you still don't wanna kiss good night. You're still the one. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the I dream. Oh, still the one I kiss. Good night. So glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Do again. It's true one night without you. If I had to live without you, what candlelight would that be? Oh, I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, well, baby, take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I live without go? How do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live without you? There'll be no sun in my sky. There would be love in my life. There'll be no one left for me, and I don't know what to do. I'd be lost if I
Wait, tatawag buang ba?
and tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live? Lubat na siya.
Touch me now. I don't want to
How do you ever leave? Baby, will take away everything. Need you with me. Baby, don't you know my heart? And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want you to know how I live without you. If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live? How do I live without you? How do I live? Alright, mag-charge. Ano, okay pa kayo dyan?
Mag-good night na tayo.
Di lagi ko mag-outro, G.
Sino si Jiwi? Jerome.
From this moment has begun.
Si G, tagwa din si G.
Then you are the one right beside you. It's where I belong.
Nag-watch.
From this moment, from this moment, I've been blessed. I live on me for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. Promise you that there is nothing I won't give. From this moment on. You're the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayers from up above. All we need is just the two of us. My dreams can true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you there's nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you as long as I live. From this moment on. Alright. Ah, diba? Hindi. Tugtong pa, may tugtong. Karaoke ba ito? Ay, hindi. Hindi siya karaoke. Don't know what to do whenever you want me. Ano, tapos na kayo?
Ka. Di man dap mo kumuhawa. Unungan talagi ka. Kutog mong asa kataman.
Yatay ko rin.
Yatay din, ginuangan na itong
Inana ta ka kamahal. Kung asa kataman, dito ra po kutaman.
Tumigil ka dyan. Tinutulugan mo nga ako eh.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Nandito lang ako lagi. Huwag kang umasa. At ikaw aking paasahin.
Hindi na ako maasa. Alam ko naman matutulog ka lang din naman eh.
Hindi lagi ako matutulog. Nandito lang ako lagi. Huwag kang mag-alala. Kahit naghagok ako, nandyan pa rin.
Thanks for the
Kawa lang ko kung maghagok. Nag-live
nights would seem so long. With you I see forever so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I hope you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you.
Kaluoy ba lang sindi, oy?
Hindi lagi ko magputulog.
I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world will change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Gamit na
Yate ka talaga lang. Buset ka. Ang pinagagawa mo? Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One, two. Ay, napapanood ka din sa Facebook. Huwag ka dyan, napapanood ka sa Facebook. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world will change. Yeah. Baliw ka talaga dyan. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, tabo mo yan. Sakit mo sa pangawalan kay, oy. Natapos na. Lahat-lahat. Harap na naman tayo ng iba. Talagang sasamahan mo ako dito. Alam mo ba yun? Makit ka, magkanta ka din. Kanta ka din, parang hindi ka pa na, nakontento kanina, Parang, yan? Second emotion. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream. Nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget a picture of your smile, 'cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile, twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Makiat ka na, babe? Then could I love you more, so much stronger than before? Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile, you can take right away. So hold me close. Parang nakanta ko na pala ito kanina. You come alive. The closer I get to touching you. Ito na lang. Makyat ka na. Da-da-da-da. Anong oras na ba? Bakit natigil na kayo? 12:30 pa lang naman. Mag-charge ko sa jet. Ayun, naghahanda lubat-lubat na. Lubat na silang lahat. Ayun, nalaglag sila. Ito ulit pinanggit. Baby frozen tears, it was hard through the years. I'll never give up. Ulit lang. God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it will for better. I give you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you more. Ayan. Kanta ka bilang, Kay. Came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If you ever lost your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your life. Baby, now I'm alone, and I try to be strong, but my baby, I cry, silent tears without crying, and I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing the fool. I'm in love, will be for better. I'll give you my heart forever and ever. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, baby, it's true. No arms can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. But if I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, baby, I'm dying for your love. And if I ever lose your smile, if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love. And I say, parang napagod ako. No one can ever love you, girl, it's true. One can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true. Alright, hanap pa tayo habang wala pa silang. Ano yun? Okay na lang. Ano to kay Imelda Papin? Alright.
Start karaoke.
Sabihan mo, kasi kalabi pag ready ka na biha. Ready ka ng song. Nang ibigin kita, marami ang nagtatang. May nagsabi na bulag raw ang aking mata. Ang sagot ko, hindi balin na bulag. Huwag lamang magtaksa sa bulong ng damdamin ko. Nang ibigin kita, marami ang nailing. May nagsabi, marahil nga raw ako ay hangal. Ang sagot ko, ako ay hindi hangal. Mas hangal ang mga pusong di natutong magmahal. Kasalanan bang umibig ng walang hanggan? Kasalanan bang umibig ng buong tapat? Kung ibigin ka'y kasalanan, ayaw kong magusto. Sa pagkakamali, ayaw kong gumising. Ano daw to? Bidli pala ito. Aking paglayo. Labis kong dinamdam pag-ibig ko, ibig ko. Siyang umibig na tumawag ng bismoso. Mahal tulad ng pagmamahal. Nilimot niya nang dahil sa'yo. Kusok ka takalain ganito. Bilang ke. Kanta ka na. Ikaw na, it's your turn.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Let's sing Merry Christmas.
احنا الناس تشوفنا اليوم
Hello. Ay, boses ba eh? Ay, boses.
Oo, be, meron. Loud and clear. Kanta ka lang dyan, Bia. Banyo mo na ako.
Ha? Sige.
Kanta ka lang dyan. Mag-share lang.
Sige. There's nothing in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You were just a part of a dream. Nothing more to it seem. But my love forever. Continue. The closer I get to loving you, every time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Give a little smile, a special smile, a twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it just a little more time so we can get closer. You and I. Then I could love you more, so much stronger than before. My seems like a dream, so much more to see. I guess I found my answer. With just one smile, you take my breath away. You hold me close, I'll see you, stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Even the time that has had the most time when we together. Even let us find that special smile, a twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Even the time that has had the most time, so we can get closer. You and I.
Introducing a world-first national awards program like no other.
Where's your lost heart? Leave alone tonight. Sitting on love alone now. I know the line between you and me. I love a music my mom is not to be. Always done. I forever yours, faithfully. Under the big sky, we only the knows to make us smile. So and time, always another show. Wondering where I am lost without you. Been a funny million love affair. You never learn to fall in love again. Again, loyalty discovering over is gone. I'm forever yours, faithfully. I'm still yours. I'm forever yours, ever yours. be by your side till lead to us high. Baby, I'd be ano yun? Never intended. When I wake up every day with you lying in my arms, I wonder if in my dream, when I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true that my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can have it all. Girl, take my hands and let me lead the way. All through your life, I be by your side and lead us apart. Baby, my love will never end and lead to us part. There be good time, others be bad, but I will stand beside you, woman, all the way. And through the years, this love will pull us through. And shall we fall apart tonight? Hey, baby, I say.
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa, kaya.
Ayan eh. Christmas eh. Minsan ng Christmas, isang beses lang sa isang taon eh.
All through your life, I be by your side till this was high. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till this was high. Yeah, baby, I'm feeling all through your life. I'll be by your side till this was high. Baby, I'm beyond the world in this as far. Yeah, baby, I feel like
Ayaw mo yan.
maputol mo na kung ugat sa liog, boy.
Wag. I'll be your love, the death to us part.
Ayun. Ayan. Wala naman eh.
Wag mo na hintayin. Wala na.
Wala naman.
Wala na? Tapos na.
Kaya.
I do follow coffee every.
Pura man kung nasa langob. kausap mo?
Moso. Hindi pala ako nakamute.
Ha?
Hindi pala ako nakamute dito.
Pagdula. Isa may gitaw. Otro. I heard her thinking of the night. I'm lying here, the world is dark. I wonder where for tonight. No answer on that telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it I want it to alone. Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really care until I met you. And now it tell me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. You don't know how long I have wanted, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really cried until I met you. And now it sent me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone?
How do I get you alone?
Kumainit. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Alone. Nagwala. Batuon din ako.
Wala naman silang pakialam dyan.
It's your turn.
Naglato-lato na yun.
Ay, ka naman.
Ako na. It's
Ano
my
naman?
turn.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you so much. Okay. It's my turn. So, it's my turn. Wala tayong magagawa. Shout out to 2 million in the house. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. So here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep going wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way? Video. Make the magic last for more than just one night. We could just get it. No, we could be through it. I gave my all, but I think my all maybe I've been too much to the store. Since we're always blowing, whatever we've got going, and it seems at times that all we got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we keep going wrong? Why the good times never last for very long? Well, just once, can we find a way, baby? Oh, make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it. Just once, I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we get ourselves in hand? Not admit to one another, we're no good without each other. Make the best and make it better. Find a way, video. Just once, can we figure out video to make magic last for more than just one night? I know we could do it if we could just get to it. All right, just one. Ano ka pa? Next, come what may. Ayan, Merry Christmas, everyone. Mag-ready ka na, binangkin. When she looks at me, I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the fake fears inside and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and treats me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man. She just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me and that thou hast helped me open my soul, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows just there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lives to believe it true. When I'm in the darkness or of uncertainty, she just simply let me be, and right on loving me. Come what she believes, and the faith is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has opened me open that door, making me love myself a little more. Oh, and when it seems my dreams have all slipped through my fingers, when they just get before I turn around, and there they are shining in your eyes. Come what may, she believes, and that faith is something I never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself. Come what may, she believes, and that faith is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has opened me open a door. All right, back to you, Belanki. Ayan, Merry Christmas sa ating mga viewers dyan na sumisilip-silip. Merry Christmas. Okay, Belanki, it's your turn.
For some time, she's the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again. To tell her I love her, and I'm sorry, but that day I can't. I find her standing in the front of the church, the only place in town where I did serve. She looks too happy in her wedding dress, but she crying when she's saying that. Oh, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. But you're coming so far. Oh, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. With me back to the time when we were more than this. But still I see you in the front of the store, the only place inside where I deserve. She looks so happy in her wedding dress, but she cries, she's saying to me, oh, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Not your trouble so far. Oh, I'm sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Out of the street, places where hungry heart have nothing to eat. Inside my head is that I can't hear the words she said. Oh, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Lost your trouble so far. Oh, I am sorry you are 25 minutes too late. Boy, I miss your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Lost your trouble so far. Oh, I am sorry you are 25 minutes too late. I hold it in my heart. It's only the girl only could see and do. Still I fumble and pour out into the wall. Was really fun to you. I'm just another woman. If I look so, just another fool. Could it be again? If I can do to fear to touch me again. With you and another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I trouble like a child, that I'm watching it long fall over your head. It's like thinking I just let you be me, and reaching me until my feelings break. I know that you can be my mom. Tonight I want to be just another woman. I can't go if I don't control. Just another phone. You touch me, I will be. I will be the one. And just I can feel the touch of you. It's you and just another woman, just another woman in love. Can I slow? Try just another fool. Yeah, whatever is away, and I can't wait to touch me again. You ain't another woman, just another woman in love. It's your turn. Ikaw na naman.
All right. Thank you so much for that wonderful song. Again, banata ng kantaho ni Chismoso. Pang old. Pang old.
Tawag.
Banatan ta ang pang old niya kanta ng Chismoso. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. Sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. Can't remember where I used to be, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear that me everything I know. Can't imagine anything someone saw. But through the years, it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, you're all the good and bad. I know how much we had. I've always been too glad to be with you through the years. It's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we're strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. With those 4 things out, I've learned that life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Ay, nakanta ko na pala ito. Nakanta ko. I did. Kanta ko na yan. Ay, tanong tayo ng iba. Ano ba ang kakantahin ko? I-try ko nga to ang naging kinakanta ni Sis Gang. Ay, nare-request ni Sis Gangkay. Shout out sa ating dyan, Mas Philip. Merry Christmas. Ayan, kumusta? May mga natutira pa ba? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Parang problemado ka. Iniwan ka ng asawa mo. Pinagpalit sa iba. Sakit talaga sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng asawa mo. Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka pa. Masakit sa katayaran. Gamot at katika. Masakit sa katayaran. Gamot at kusika. Masakit sa katayaran. Gamot at kusika. Masakit sa katayaran. Kaliman ko din si kakasakit. Kakasakit. Imalilisan ka. Kakasakit. Kakasakit. Malilisan ka. Lagi ka na lang tulala. Umapatak ang iyong luha. Ang buhay ay ganyan talaga. Mabuti pang mag-move on ka na. Sakit talaga sa first time. Pag-iwan ka ng asawa mo. Ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka pa. Masakit sa katayaran. Gamot at kusika. masakit sa katayana, gamutan ko sika. Masakit sa katayana, gamutan ko sika. Masakit sa katayana, halima ko sa sika. Kasakit, imalilinisan ikaw. Sakit, imalilinisan ikaw. Masakit talaga sa first time pag-iwan ka ng asawa mo, ipinagpalit ka na, iniwanan ka pa. Masakit sa katayana, gamutan ko sika. Masakit sa katayana, gamutan ko sika. Masakit sa katayana, gamutan ko sika. Masakit sa katayana, kalimat ko din sika. Kasakit, imalilinisan ikaw. Kasakit, imalilinisan ikaw. All right, Bilangki, where na you? Okay. Wala po silang P, so hanap tayo. Ito. Ayan, kasi baka nag-banyo pa siya, so let's... All right. Lagi na lang sa isip mga sandali tanggapin pag-ibig ko para sa'yo. Lalangana ng saya mga sumpaan at pangako. Tayo lang dalawa kailanman. Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin ang nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Ikaw lang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang sa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibigin ko habang ako'y nabubuhay. Di ko kayang mabuhay, di ko kayang limutin ka habang ako'y nabubuhay. Parang mawala na dito ng buhay sa kantin to. Lagi na lang nakikita maging sa mga panaginip mga ngiti mong kay tamis tutunaw sa puso ko na sumaan at pangako. Pag-ibig mo sa akin ang nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibigin ko habang ako'y nabubuhay. Mawalan ako ng buhay dito, guys. Kaya mabuhay, di ko kaya namutin ka habang ako'y nabubuhay. Tabang. Praise the Lord. Ang taas naman ang kantang ko. Hindi ko ma-imagine na makakanta ito. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibigin ko habang ako'y nabubuhay. Di ko kayang mawalay ka, di ko kayang mabuhay, di ko kayang limutin ka habang ako'y nabubuhay. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibig habang ako'y nabubuhay. Ay nako, mabubuhay. Mabubuhay pa kaya ako. Pagtapusin ko to, wag na. Alright. Ako ay nauuhaw na, guys. So, ito. Habang wala pa silang ayan, iba niyo pa siguro yun. So, let's do this. Alright. Alright. Sabik ng mahalikan, mayakap at masayaw sa ulan, ang mundo'y gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ng landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Lumilima ng paligid ay ikaw pa rin ang ilaw ko. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Ituhaw sayang sayaw, bakit ikaw ibibitaw sayong sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Nananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Di na mapakali, puso'y nagmamadaling lambingin at suyuin ka. O aking bibig, ako'y iyo. Kahit magkalisod, mapagod, at bumigay ang tuhod, di ako'y hinto. Ikaw ang aking dulo. Mawala man ang anino ko, nandito ka, ilaw ko. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Bakit uhaw, sayong sayaw, bakit ikaw Di bibitaw sayong sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Nauuhaw, nanliligaw, umiiyak. Natulunod sa kada tatusok ng pagkatao mo. Nauuhaw, sumisigaw. Bakit uhaw sayong sayo? Bakit ikaw? Di bibitaw sayong sayo, laging ikaw. Ako'y giniginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Alright. Walang okay. Mag-last song ka na, be? Flip na tayo. Mag-last song ka pa?
Hindi na. Usap po.
Ano?
Pinas.
Okay, sige, sige. Mag-last song na ako, tapos mag-end. Thank you, be. Thank you. Merry Christmas ulit. See you sa Tuesday. Okay, dahil magla-last song na ako, ito na nga kantahin. Kaya naghihintay din ang aking chismoso. Yan na lang. Christmas na Christmas. Wait lang, wait lang. Kanina pa ito naghihintay eh. Ganun na ako ng ganun. Oh. Naghihintay na. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came in loving me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we're apart, well then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. So tell you that's what friends are for. Good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Oh. Alright. Ay, wait lang. Dahil Christmas ngayon. Dahil Christmas ngayon. Ay, nakalimutan na. Kakantayin ko ito. Aha. Last na talaga to. Ipas ko na naman. Hindi. Ayan. Ito yan. Okay. Alright. Sa lahat ng mga FWs dyan. Merry Christmas, everyone. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. At sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo ba ito? Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Namamasko po. Namamasko. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan ka? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. At sana ngayong Pasko hinahanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Namamas ko po. Ito katambat yan. Dali lang. Sana ngayong Pasko. Alright. Good night. Bilangki, thank you so much sa pagsama dito sa akin. Ayan. At sa mga ating viewers ka na mga pasilip-silip and tambayers. Ayan, thank you so much. And Merry Christmas, everyone. And kahit saan man kayong sulok ng mundo. Ayan, so, good night. And magka-countdown na ako, guys. Ayan, Bilangki, thank you so much.
Welcome. Good night.
Countdown.
Night.
Good night.